Connecting your PS4 to your laptop using HDMI.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting topic that many of you have asked about: how to connect your PS4 to your laptop using HDMI. This can be quite useful for streaming, recording, or just to enjoy your games on a different screen.
What you will need.
First things first, let's talk about the equipment you will need. It might sound like a simple cable connection, but there's a bit more to it. 1. PS4 console. 2. Laptop with an HDMI in port. This is important because most laptops come with HDMI out ports only. HDMI in allows receiving video signal from other devices. 3. HDMI cable. 4. Video capture card. This is the key to make this process possible, as it will convert your PS4's HDMI output to a format your laptop can read.
How to connect your PS4 to your laptop.
After gathering all the necessary equipment, follow these steps to establish the connection. 1. Connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on your PS4. 2. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI in port of your video capture card. 3. Connect the video capture card to your laptop using its USB cable. 4. Turn on your PS4 and launch the software provided with your video capture card on your laptop. The software should recognize the video capture card and start displaying the PS4 output. This way, your laptop screen serves as a display for your PS4 console.
Any potential issues?
Some of you may run into issues when trying to connect your PS4 to your laptop. One common issue is a laptop lacking an HDMI in port. If this is the case, you will not be able to connect your PS4 directly. The use of a video capture card is imperative in this situation. And that's it. That's how you can connect your PS4 to your laptop using an HDMI cable. Now you can enjoy your games on a different screen, or you can start live streaming or recording your gameplay for sharing. Always remember, the key lies in understanding the difference between HDMI in and HDMI out ports and having a video capture card handy. We hope you found this guide useful. Happy gaming!